Hello traders, this is Dan. Let's take a look at the markets for March 16th, which is FOMC day. So yesterday, I said if we were to close, so today's obviously Wednesday, here's Tuesday. So I said yesterday in the video, if we were to close bullish to survive the FOMC and 2 p.m. announcement and then the typical 3 whips, then I had a bullish bias because we have two retest ugly red bars here with no follow through, and then we had this wide range closing above the Monday's bar and a price void above. Well, today, let's look at the intraday charts. 15-minute chart. So here was our gap up. We started very bullish, actually sold off before the announcement, and then here's the actual 2 p.m. announcement. Kerplonk, and then you usually get 3 whips, and it was a little delayed this time. And then I was telling folks in the green trading room, I said, hey, I wonder if this bar is a delayed bounce from this bar, because this is usually where you get the thing and then you got to see what the final one is. But we're closing pretty darn near the dead penny high on the broader markets here. And yesterday I said, had we closed bullish, my target was 440. And it's done a pretty darn good job of advancing to that target right now. So diamonds right at the prior high, but big bottoming tail range expansion bar. I mean, this could easily come up here to the declining 50 period moving average. Qs, that's range expansion bar with a price void. IWM, that's more of a mess, big old trading range mess. But we're from the 230 low, all 4 index ETFs are extended. It just historically, post FOMC, you can't get sucked into the bullishness of the close here. You got to let things settle down for an hour the following day. Maybe we get a nasty gap, which I would love, and then get a bull trap. And then we make lower prices, because I would love to get us to the 400 level on the SPY. But as of right now, we're bullish, and we just got to play it by ear for tomorrow. So we weren't very active in the swing and options trader boot. Nice gap breakout from a big bottoming pattern. And we had a nice couple $3 or so open gain. And then I had move stop break even. I just didn't want to get caught in a nasty sell-off on FOMC. We sold a third of our position into strength and then stopped out for the back half. Hood, this thing. So this is Robinhood Markets, the crypto broker. Gap reversal, bottoming on support here. So this has held this area so many times that we recommended in the monthly options trader rather, kind of a retest here on the weekly, selling the $10 puts for next month. On the weekly options trader, I posted a big long list of bullish put spreads. We'll go through a couple of them here in a second. Bitto, we sold naked $24 puts. This one runs with Bitcoin, which is up 1,600 today. And PayPal, one of my favorites here, bottoming pattern, a retest here, going around sideways, the 20 flattening out, a climb on the weekly. We sold next week the 95 $10 wide put spread. And in the morning, I was saying, hey, I mean, the thing ran too much now. But I was wanting to do a directional on this tomorrow over today's high, but I'll keep an eye on a pullback. All right, let me show you a couple of these put spread ideas. This one's in a downtrend. This would be maybe a 1 DTE put spread. 1 meaning tomorrow's Thursday, and 1 DTE would be for Friday. USX, beautiful wide range breakout, target 550 area maybe. Golf Tango, Goodyear Tire would be a put spread under yesterday's low if there's any premium there. Fitch, bottoming pattern. So I'll tell you the ones that I would do 1 DTE or 8 DTE. This is a pattern in a nasty downtrend. I would only consider a 1 DTE put spread on Fitch. Chewy, this one I might do 8 days. Similar to Hood, it's tested, nice bullish reversals every time, nice wide range bar. DDS, I did a little lesson in the green trading room today, and you all can go take a look at it. I go look at the April 185 puts. I sold the 185 puts for, there's a bid there. It's a $1.25. I was trying to get price improvement. I didn't get filled, and I just hit the bid at $1.25. Multi-month bottoming pattern here. I'm going to keep an eye on this for directional also, but the spreads are too wide to do a routine weekly one. Varoom, wide range bar with a buy setup on the weekly. Avgo, beautiful put spread candidate. I'll check the math tomorrow. FL, we'll look to sell the $30 puts maybe tomorrow. Boeing had a nice day. Getting a little extended now. I'll have to check the premium. Disney, I mentioned this morning, at lower prices. That would have been a beautiful put spread for Friday. UPS, a little gap and go from a big kind of W pattern here. So that would have been a no-brainer, 202.50 put spread. Twitter. Now see, this is a pattern I have no problem going out to 8 days. You got a gap reversal, you got a higher low, you got consolidation, another higher low, you got the 20 MA flattening out, you got a gap break, closing breakout. This looks fantastic for a put spread for next week. MGM, I mentioned this morning, a lot of the travel stocks. Beat up travel. Look at Carnival Cruise Line, had a big day. The hotels, a lot of airlines. Carvana, nice retest. That's a beautiful put spread candidate. Home Depot, under yesterday's low. CVS over the highs, put spread candidate. So that's enough ideas for now. So good trading, but yeah, be on the lookout for more trades for tomorrow after the first 30, 60 minutes or so, but preferably with a pullback because of the end of day rally. Good trading. We will see you tomorrow, as always, in Telegram.